10 tips to keep your solar PV system safe. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the top 10 tips you should follow to keep your PV solar system safe. By following these guidelines, you can ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your solar panels. So, let's jump right into it. First, regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial for your solar PV system. Schedule periodic checks to inspect the panels, wiring, and connections for any signs of damage or wear. This will help you catch any issues early on and prevent further damage. Single quote. Second, keep panels clean. Keeping your solar panels clean is essential for maximum efficiency. Regularly clean the panels to remove dirt, dust, leaves, and other debris that may accumulate on the surface. This will ensure optimal sunlight absorption and better energy production. Single quote. Third, monitor performance. Monitor the performance of your solar PV system to detect any sudden drops or abnormalities. Keep track of energy production to identify potential issues that may require attention, such as faulty panels or inverters. Single quote. Fourth, check for shade. Make sure your solar panels are not shaded by trees, buildings, or any other objects that obstruct sunlight. Shade significantly reduces panel efficiency and affects the overall output of your system. Trim or remove any shading sources if necessary. Single quote. Fifth, secure mounting. Ensure that the mounting system of your solar panels is properly secured. Strong winds, storms, and other adverse weather conditions can displace or damage loosely mounted panels. Make sure the mounts are sturdy and well maintained. Single quote. Sixth, lightning protection. Install a lightning protection system for your solar PV system. Ground the system and use surge protection devices to minimize the risk of damage from lightning strikes. This is crucial to safeguard your investment and prevent costly repairs. Single quote. Seventh, educate others. Teach your family members, especially children, about the importance of solar PV system safety. Make sure they understand the potential dangers of tampering with electrical components and emphasize the need to stay away from them. Single quote. 8. Proper wiring. Ensure that the wiring of your solar PV system is installed correctly and safely. Use appropriate wiring materials, properly size the wires, and follow electrical codes and regulations. This will help prevent electrical hazards and ensure efficient operation. Single quote. 9th, regular inspections. Conduct regular visual inspections of your solar PV system. Check for signs of wear, damage, or corrosion in the panels, inverters, wiring, and other components. Timely detection and addressing of issues can prevent further damage. Single quote. 10th, work with professionals. Finally, it's important to work with qualified professionals for installation, maintenance, or repairs. They have the necessary expertise and experience with solar PV systems, ensuring that your system is installed correctly and maintained properly. Single quote. Thank you all for watching today's video on the top 10 tips to keep your solar PV system safe. By following these guidelines, you can protect your investment, maximize energy production, and ensure the longevity of your solar panels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay safe and enjoy the benefits of clean, renewable energy.